Y'all know the deal. Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new. I would appreciate that too. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload a new video. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, there was this video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also comment with a lot of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. So comment with a lot of drawing. And also subscribe and share this video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that too. Here's Midoriya with his new quirk. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this drawing. I had a lot of fun making it, and I really like the outcome of the drawing. I really like the colors and everything about it. If you are currently watching My Hero Season 5, make sure to smash that like button, and if you also like My Hero, make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a My Hero playlist, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.